Hello again. In this presentation, we'll learn the full sequence of table washing, a beloved practical life activity that engages both mind and body. This work supports deep concentration, careful sequencing, and genuine respect for the environment. We begin by preparing our materials: a small bucket, basin, pitcher, soap, brush, sponge, cloth, and apron, all neatly arranged from left to right. Invite the child warmly. Would you like to wash a table? Together, put on the apron. Pour warm water into the basin, add soap, and dip the brush. Wash in gentle circles left to right, top to bottom, watching the bubbles sparkle. Rinse with clean water, sponge away the foam, and dry the surface carefully with the cloth. Finally, empty the basin, return each material, and hang the apron neatly. The beauty lies in the rhythm, the silence between movements, the visible transformation from soapy to shining. Through table washing, the child discovers purpose, order, and the quiet joy of meaningful work.